Hello everyone, I am Monica Singh Roha from the channel IELTS 9. Okay, now this map I have taken from Cambridge IELTS book 14 and this is test 2 and this map is part of section 2 only, questions from 16 to 20. Now what the question says, label the plan below. Okay, this is the map, we can say. Write the correct letter A to H next to questions 16 to 20. Okay, questions are here only. These are the questions. Here I am not going to test myself. In fact, I am going to tell you how to go about these kinds of maps in IELTS listening. Okay, first of all, before starting the audio, let me explain you how to go about this kind of map. Okay, after getting this kind of questions in IELTS listening, first of all, always look at the title of this plan, this map, in fact, this diagram. This is Branley Castle. Okay, this is the diagram of Branley Castle. Okay, now after this, first look at the important landmarks in the map. Like first we can see the river here. Okay, river from here to here. Okay, and there is a bridge across the river. Across here means when you have to cross the river, there is a bridge to across the river, means like to cross this river there is a point G. Okay, now we come to know that this is river. Now Great Hall I can see, North Gate, Tower, walls, South Gate, of course, and the main entrance is there. Main entrance is important to find out in map or plans diagrams, because most of the questions of these questions starts from the main entrance only. Okay, now one more thing is they have given the directions also. Okay, directions also. So just mind it, just keep in mind, like if the speaker says towards the west, means you have to go towards this side, towards the east this side, north means up, south means down. Okay, and now okay, about the roads also. Okay, now this is a road, main entrance. Now when the speaker says just take first left is this, after taking after starting from the main entrance, just take first left is this only. Or if he says right, take right left, or take first right, then you have to ignore this, you have to take this right. You are page is in front of you here, so like in here, so our right is here, left is here. But when you are coming from that side, suppose in the first question, I will be explaining you later this thing. Okay, now the main entrance is here. He will be the speaker will be saying like take first right and just avoid the first left, and just go ahead for some with some steps, and right side there is a shop or something like, then this will be your point. Okay, now here come to this point. Okay, when you are taking left turn from this main entrance road, if the speaker says take right turn, then this is your right turn, this is your left turn. Okay, and he will be saying just ignore the way bridge across the river. Ignore here means just leave this point also, just go straight, go ahead, you will find a shop there, or you will find something else there. So this is your point, Okay, now I will explain you side by side with the questions only. Okay, let's start the question number 1, that is starting point for walking the walls. Okay, now you have read read this diagram, where are the points, especially you have come to know the landmarks, river, Great Hall, North Gate, Tower, this thing, South Gate, main entrance. Then it is important to find out the points A, where is A, B is here, C is here, D is here, E is here, F is here, G is here, and H is here. It is important to find these points also. So let's start, and as well as please try to read these ones also. You have to make it little faster than in other questions for this question only, because 30 seconds is not enough. 30 seconds are not enough actually to look at these the proper maps as well as this. Okay, starting points for walking the walls: bow and arrow display, hunting birds display, traditional dancing, and shop. Okay, let me play the audio first
and answer questions 16 to 20.
Now, if you can take a look at your plans, you'll see Branley Castle has 4 towers joined together by a high wall with the river on 2 sides. Don't miss seeing the Great Hall. That's near the river in the main tower, the biggest one, which was extended and redesigned in the 18th century. If you want to get a good view of the whole castle, you can walk around the walls. The starting point's quite near the main entrance. Walk straight down the path until you get to the south gate, and it's just there. Don't go on to the north gate. There's no way up from there. They'll shortly...
So what the speaker says, don't miss, he has started his conversation with the Great Hall. Don't miss seeing the Great Hall. That's near the river. That's near the river in the main tower, the biggest one. Yes, this is the biggest one, which was extended and redesigned in the 18th century. Okay, if you want to get a good view of the whole castle, you can walk around the walls. Okay, you can walk around the walls. The starting point is quite near the main entrance, and it is quite near the main entrance. Okay, now again after that he is saying walk straight down the path. This now the main path he has told you, walk straight down the path until you get the south gate. Yes, south gate is here, and it's just there, so near the south gate only this point is here. So near the south gate means this is your answer for the first starting point for walking the walls. Okay, let's go to the second question.
Skill with a bow and arrow. The quickest way to get there is to take the first left after the main entrance and follow the path past the bridge. Then you'll see it in front of you at the end. If you like animals, there's also a display of hunting birds, falcons and eagles and so on. If you go from the main entrance in the direction of the south gate, but turn right before you get there instead of going through it, you'll see it on your right, past the first tower. At 3 p.m, there's a short performance of traditional dancing on the outdoor stage. That's right at the other side of the castle from the entrance and over the bridge. It's about 10 minutes walk or so. And finally, the shop. It's actually inside one of the towers, but the way in is from the outside. Just take the first left after the main entrance, go down the path and take the first right. It's got some lovely gifts and souvenirs. Right, so we're just arriving.
Now, for the 17th question, what the speaker says, the starting points, the quickest way to get there is to take the first left. Take the first left. I have taken the first left after the main entrance and follow the path past the bridge. Okay, past the bridge. Now we have crossed the bridge, past the bridge, then it is there. Okay, this is there. This is the point we have for. Then you will see it in front of you at the end. Means this road ends here. This is your bow and arrow display. Okay, let me tell you again. Here the quickest way, now the speaker says the quickest way to reach now for the 18th question, hunting birds display. What the speaker said about about this direction, this question's direction. Now he said, you go from the main entrance, okay, in the direction of south gate, okay, but turn right just before you get there, where you get there at south gate, but just before you get there, just take right turn, and you get there. Instead of going through it, you will see it on your right past the first tower. Right, this is right, we can see here only this thing on the right side, past the first tower. Okay, now we are on this path, on this road. This is the first tower. Of course, there were 4 towers, 1 2 3 4. Now from this road we can see this is the first tower, and on the right side only this point is there. So our answer is F. This is F only. Okay, now for 19th, what the writer said. Okay, at 3 p.m. there is also a display of, at 3 p.m. there is a short performance of traditional dancing on our outdoor stage. That's right at the end of the castle. Where is end of the castle? That's right on the end of the castle. Okay, and that's right at the other side of the castle from the entrance. This is the entrance, this is the entrance. Okay, from the other side is where? This is this side. Okay, at the other side of the castle from the entrance, over the bridge. Okay, over the bridge, it's about 10 minutes from the main entrance. Over here is over the bridge. So this is the point for traditional dancing. Okay, traditional dancing, this is the point for A. Okay, now for shop, what the writer said about it. Okay, and finally the shop, it's actually inside one of the tower. Towers are where? 1 2 3 4 towers are there. Of course, in the starting the speaker explained everything about the tower in the castle. Okay, it's actually inside one of the towers, but the way is in from the outside. Outside means this main entrance. This is the way. Just take the first left after the main entrance. This is the main entrance. After the main entrance, first left, this is the left, and go down the path. Okay, we are going down the path. My pencil is going down the path, and take the first right. This is the first right. On this path there is nothing, there is no other path on the right side, so it's got some now take the first right. It means this is the shop. Okay, in this way we can do so many maps like this, but you have to follow the instructions, as well as your pencil should move with the speaker's words. Okay, thank you so much.